So for my study tool, I decided to use Quizlet. I decided to use this because I've always used this throughout my academic career ever since about middle school. So to create your own set of flashcards or set of questions, you just have to click the Create button and it will come up and you already have the format needed. So I've already created my friendship Quizlet study tool. So as you can see, there's different questions. There's 7 questions in this set. Some may include true or false, or some may include choosing a multiple choice question. So I decided to use this because it's kind of a simple and direct way of getting an answer after you have studied. I also decided to use this because it is definitely an easy way that the students can choose to study on their own, or as a class you can play different types of games, make your own test, and there's several different types that the students have the variety or the opportunity to study on their own.